Welcome everyone. The screen in your iPhone 15 Pro Max just won't sleep. You can't turn it off. It just dims slightly. And so the reason why this is happening is because there's one setting that we just need to turn off in our iPhone. So let's start by opening up the settings app. Then I want you to scroll all the way down until you see display and brightness. In this one, we're going to scroll down again, and there it is, always on display. Tap on this one and just tap to turn off the always on display like that. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Any questions, any concerns, just let me know, and have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.